Number 1. The new artificial limbs described in RoboLegs are used to help people A. Perform as well as machines, B. Share the effects of disabilities, C. Overcome their body's limitations, D. Understand advances in technology. Number 2. Why did the author likely include the image of Cameron Clapp on page 1? F. To show he is energetic and determined. G. To show he is determined yet frustrated. H. To show he is proud but fearful. J. To show he is focused and bitter. Number 3. What does Nick Springer do in RoboLegs that shows his comfort with his disability? A. He attends college in St. Petersburg, Florida. B. He has faith in technology. C. He thinks Star Wars is a little far-fetched. D. He plugs his legs in at a party. Number 4. According to RoboLegs, some people who use artificial limbs show their pride by F. Signing up for military service. G. Making movies about disabilities. H. Displaying their sport medals. J. Decorating their electronic limbs. Number 5. What does the word appendages mean as used in paragraph 14? A. A projecting portion of a plant body. B. A dependent or subordinate person. C. A body part or a limb. D. A robot. Number 6. Which of the following is the best summary of RoboLegs? F. The invention of complex technology has empowered people, both physically and emotionally, to be comfortable, confident, and mobile after losing their limbs. With the help of their prosthetics, they have been able to pursue their passions, like Cameron Clapp participating in the Endeavor Games. G. Cameron Clapp gets hit by a train and loses his legs and an arm. After successful rehab, he was able to participate in the Endeavor Games. H. Nick Springer, who lost his legs at age 14 to meningitis, loves his Terminator legs. They do not get in the way of him living a typical college life. J. People with prosthetics think about two things, functionality and cosmetics. While some choose to wear silicone sleeves to simulate natural limbs, an increasing number of amputees are choosing to hide their prosthetics under their clothing and proudly polish and decorate their electronic limbs for all to see. Number 7. The author's main purpose in writing this selection is A. To convince the readers that RoboLegs are an important advancement. B. Inform the readers about advancement in modern artificial limb technology. C. Show the readers a story about cyborgs living normal lives with everyday people. D. Convince their audience that artificial limbs improve quality of life for amputees and help them succeed in sports. Number 8. The author of the selection includes paragraphs 4 and 5 most likely to F. To describe the cost of a sea leg. G. To illustrate the development of the sea leg and its functions. H. To urge amputees and purchase a sea leg. J. To reveal Cameron Clapp's opinions on the sea leg. Number 9. Which statement best represents the controlling idea or main idea of the selection? A. Prosthetic limbs provide increased mobility and allow amputees to lead normal lives. B. Cameron Clapp's life is greatly improved by the use of prosthetic limbs. C. The development of prosthetic limbs has blurred the lines between man and machine. D. People are often reminded of movies like Star Wars when they see prosthetic limbs. Number 10. The author most likely calls penicillin the most important medical discovery of the 20th century because F. It helped save milkmaids from disease. G. It ended World War II after D-Day. H. It united scientific communities. J. It saved many people from dying of infections. Number 11. The author includes the story of Isaac Newton in order to A. B. Suggest that scientific discoveries are the result of strictly pure luck. C. Illustrate that scientific discoveries are the result of genius. D. Show that scientific discoveries started during the 1600s. Number 12. Based on the title, the reader can conclude that the author most likely wrote this passage to F. Introduce important accidental scientific discoveries. G. Express concerns about the use of vaccines. H. Support the use of vaccines. J. Retell the history of vaccines and penicillin. Number 13. The author organizes the selection by A. Listing the steps that led to the creation of vaccines. B. Comparing how two scientists cured smallpox. C. Emphasizing the importance of penicillin. D. Elaborating on the events that caused the creation of different vaccines. Number 14. Which of the following lines best supports the idea that scientific discoveries come from unexpected places? F. Jenner's supervising physicians took little interest in his findings, paragraph 3. G. But before tossing away the moldy dish, Fleming realized that the intruder had actually killed off much of the bacteria culture, paragraph 6. H. Fleming isolated the mold and identified it as a member of the genus Penicillium, paragraph 7. J. In 1945, Fleming shared the Nobel Prize in Medicine for his work on the wonder drug penicillin, paragraph 9. Number 15. Read the dictionary entry below. Which word from paragraph 1 helps the reader understand the meaning of methodical? A. Surprising. B. Orderly. C. Unexpected. D. Discoveries. Number 16. Which of the following quotes best represents the main idea of the selection? Though science often seems an orderly and methodical process, history is dotted with surprising discoveries such as these. Paragraph 1. In the late 1700s, Edward Jenner, a young English doctor in training, was told by a local milkmaid that she was safe from smallpox because she already had cowpox. Paragraph 3. The modern term vaccine, from the Latin word for cow, honor Jenner and his life-saving inspiration. Paragraph 4. J. Realizing the strategic advantage in possessing the world's first antibiotic, the U.S. and Britain joined forces to mass-produce the drug and treated thousands of Allied troops in the D-Day invasion of Europe. Paragraph 8. Directions. Use both Robolegs and Eureka scientific twists of fate to answer the following question. The scientific advancements discussed in both articles have A. Improved human lives. B. Prevented disease epidemics. C. Caused people to question progress. D. Made humans more like machines. Number 18. Directions. Use both Robolegs and Eureka scientific twists of fate to answer the following question. Both authors would likely agree with which of the following statements? F. Athletes and patients who overcome obstacles to find success are true champions. Continued medical research is important to improving and sustaining human life. H. Much of our progress in medicine has happened because of dedicated professionals. J. Today, people are far less concerned about hiding their disabilities from public views. Number 19. Directions. Use both Robolegs and Eureka scientific twists of fate to answer the following question. The author's use of subheadings in both selections improves the reader's understanding by A. Highlighting the critical vocabulary in the article, B. Revealing important connections to the main idea, C. Emphasizing the anti-science bias in the article, D. Drawing connections between the two articles. Number 20. Directions. Use both RoboLegs and Eureka Scientific Twists of Fate to answer the following question. One difference between the two selections is that Eureka Scientific Twists of Fate, F, presents an accidental discovery in medicine, G, suggests that technology develops at a faster pace than medical lab experiments, H, conveys the idea that prosthetic limbs increase mobility for amputees, J, highlights how science has improved human lives.